Sabato hoy es el Día Mundial del Tai Chi. Esta es la sede, digamos, del Uruguay del festejo. Se ha convocado a todas las escuelas y a todos los practicantes de Tai Chi o interesados en general
On the last Saturday of April, Tai Chi and Qigong enthusiasts worldwide gather in their communities to celebrate these ancient arts and to raise awareness of their profound potential for improving health and quality of life. Starting in the New Zealand time zone at 10 a.m. and moving like a wave across each time zone to the west, people around the globe are joined in meditative movement. This global flash mob is a truly unique grassroots movement brimming with hope for better health and a more peaceful, balanced world. 14 hours in, we've picked up the wave in Maine, infused it with our special Maine Shi, and sent it on as we bow to the west at 11. Very cool.
it turns 10 a.m., 10 a.m., 10 a.m., these events spread all across New Zealand and Australia and Asia and Europe and Africa, and then they come through the East Coast, Brazil and New York, and it's about to come through the Central Time Zone here at 10 a.m., or it may be coming through right now. And so as we share this experience, not quite yet, okay, as we share this experience, we'll be part of this worldwide wave of life energy that's pouring through the planet. And so it's really extraordinary because, you know, I mean, the world can seem kind of crass and brusque and rough sometimes, but Tai Chi it's soft. It had this impact that we have on the world as this thing flows around. It's like Tai Chi, and Tai Chi is more like the wind and the rain, and it changes the world with whispers and sighs. And so as we become part of this worldwide wave, we'll be sharing it with the human family, from Jerusalem, Israel to Tehran, Iran, from Washington, D.C. to Moscow, Russia. And everybody will be sharing a simple human experience. The motto of the World Tai Chi and Qigong Day, if you haven't seen the t-shirts, is one world, one breath. So if you look on the back of one of these t-shirts that you see here, it has one world, one breath in 34 languages.
Shrim Rim Klim Glam Gam Ganapati Varavarada Saravajanam Eva Shavaya Swa Shri